Are you able to hear me well? Is everyone able to hear me well? Is my voice perfectly audible? Please respond in the chat box. Okay, fine. So how you people are doing today? Okay, fine. So tomorrow you're going to get your assignment in classchatter.com. Kindly look at it and solve it. Okay? Now, Resi, George, Elaine, Devidas, Surjeet, Rashid and Asya. Am I perfectly audible? Okay. So first of all, what we are going to learn is business ethics. Okay, what business ethics is all about. Yesterday I started up with it. Okay. Yeah. So can you see the documents on the board? Is the document there on the board? Can you see perfect? I mean clearly. And I have got a complaint from other tutors too that people are not regular in class these days. What is the reason behind it? The people are not regular in class, and I can see the students number going down in my classes too. What is the reason behind it? Please be regular in class, otherwise your grades will be affected. Now, importance of ethical behavior. Yeah, I have checked it. I will share grades tonight on that itself. Okay? Okay. Let's begin with it. Now, theft. A good indicator of high. I think Jude is teaching you this ethical behavior, right? So I'm going to put some emphasis on it. Okay, theft. A good indicator of high levels of corporate and hence employee ethics is how well employees protect their company's assets. Employees who are treated with dignity and respect, who take pride in their organization and its ethics, they tend to respect the assets of that organization. So employees who get respect owing to the fact they are loyal to their company. Okay, so those people, they get actually dignity because they take pride in their organization. And if you're taking pride in your organization, if you're happy with your organization and vice versa, that means you are following the ethics of the company. Okay, that's why you are getting good treatment there. Okay, and those people who really respect their organization, they respect the assets of that organization and they won't let it go waste, right? Yeah, one of the most evident. See, why we need to respect it? Because see, company is the mother firm. It is responsible for our livelihood, right? So why not to respect it? Because we are able to run the family because of the company. So we should respect we should follow the ethics which is need to be followed, and at the same time we should protect the assets of that organization too. Employees who have respect for their organization and co-workers. It's not like if you are working in a company, you will respect your organization and follow the ethics, and you won't respect your co-workers. Co-workers too are the part of that organization, right? Employees who have respect for their organization and co-workers will avoid such practices as padding of labor charges and expense accounts, personal long-distance phone calls on company's account. See, if you are loyal to company, most people do this. They actually use the company's phone for their personal benefits, right? They will have a personal conversation with their friends and spouses over that, on that, right? This is not in the welfare of the organization if you are doing that. I can see one new attendee in class today, who is Vinod. Vinod, are you able to hear me well? Vinod, are you able to hear me well? Please respond. Right? So personal long distance calls, most of the people make that, but that is not in company's welfare. Okay? Is it clear? Okay. Fine. Now, untidy work areas, break areas and restrooms. Taking office supplies home. This is also not in the welfare of the company. You should never take office supplies home. And you should never take, if you're really loyal to your organization, you're not going to take excessive breaks or sick days. and you will never use computer equipment which you have got in the company for personal benefits. You will never destroy it, and you will never make the improper use of copy machines, etc. Fine. Is this much clear to everyone? Sunny, Vinod, Najat, Prabha, Rishi, George, Lion, Devidas, Surjit, Rashid, and Asya. Everyone needs to respond. Otherwise, you will be marked as absent. There are many forms of theft. In addition to lost supplies and equipment, some people, they steal equipment from the company. You might have heard about such kind of people. An employee with little self or organizational pride can subject the organization to losses in time, production, overhead charges, initiative, professionalism, customer respect, reputation, attitude, spirit, and trust. Now, silent saboteurs. What is saboteur? What is saboteur? What is the meaning of word saboteur? Anyone out there? Okay. Something that harms, Elena said. Damaging. No, not taking a break. See, saboteur is someone who commits sabotage. Okay. So that means who is going to ruin the company. Okay. Destroyer of the environment. Fine. Okay. Much time and efforts are spent discussing these obvious ethical problems and situations. Sometimes, however, our work relationships, our productivity, job satisfaction and trust in our colleagues are damaged by the subtle and subversive games that people play. So sometimes we lose, trust in colleagues because their behavior towards the organization is not good. And right, ethical scandals in today's business quickly make it to the national spotlight. Almost every newspaper highlights some situation or issues reeking of unethical behavior, questionable business practices, outright law violations. So some people, they violate law at work, right? That other 90% for billions of dollars annually across the US and appear in the way we treat each other. When we try to protect our own turf, what is turf? What is the meaning of the word turf? What is turf? Yeah, surface, correct. Or get ahead at the expense of others, or do wrong thing, but we believe that what our company wants us to do. Okay, so Mr. Navran lists these examples of silent saboteurs. So those people, who are, silent saboteurs, that means who are causing damage to the company, but silently are scapegoating, blaming others for miscommitment. You might have seen some people in company, or in organizations who you might have come across such kind of people. They will take bad decisions by themselves. They might not be very productive for the company, but they will put all blame on you or someone else, right? So they are like scapegoaters. I mean, they can be put into the category of scapegoaters. Fine. Allowing the boss to fail by withholding information and not pointing out risks. And some people, boss is also a human being, right? Your reporting boss is also a human being. It doesn't mean that he or she cannot go wrong. So if you can see he or she is going wrong, and if you are not pointing out towards it, and he is failing, so you will be a silent saboteur. Fine. Is this much clear to everyone? Okay. No. Okay. Budget games. Padding the budget in anticipation of cuts, end of year spending sprees to match estimates to actuals. sometimes they will do fraud and they will do some changes in the database or something, and they will match it at the end. Like total money spent would be something else, okay, and they will try to match it, right? Over promising to win a customer. Sometimes some people, they over promise to a customer, although they might not be, yes, they might not be able to provide that kind of quality services. Okay. Over promising to win a customer, gain support for a pet project, or avoid a confrontation, right? Tough guarding, protecting yourself from losing control or power. Sometimes, in some companies, people, what they do, most of the people do that. They want power to be in their hands, so they will let the company incur losses because of that, because they don't want to lose power, right? And sometimes, endless meetings are being caused. I mean, being are being held in the company, okay, that which is not required, to make sure that you are covered or that you can distance yourself from a bad decision. Some people, they know that they have to take a, daring decision. So instead of taking that decision, what they do, they will just they will have, organize meetings so that they don't have to take anything. So that no blame, is being put on them, right? Hello, Aman, are you there? Aman, are you able to hear me well? And Vinod, why you are not responding? How are you? Aman, you have joined a bit late. Today we are dealing with business ethics. Okay, so I was teaching them what business. Okay, 50% good. So 50% you are ill. Okay. Now, risk aversion, not doing what is needed to succeed because you fear the consequences of failure more than you value the rewards of success. Some people, they won't take any decision in the company because they think they are going to fail. Right? But there is no gain without pain, right? So if you really want to avail good success in life, great success in life, then you have to take the risk. Sharp penciling, fudging on reported results because everyone else does it, so you have to do it, stay competitive for pay and promotion. I have got a secret, not keeping others informed of the situation. So see, if we are working in a team, everyone needs to be aware of each and every development, right? If one is keeping a secret, the whole project will go in vain, right? So that is like, being a silent saboteur, right? Is it correct? Okay. Aman, do you understand what business ethics is and why I'm teaching that? Aman, what is business ethics? See, the rules and regulations in a company or somewhere. Ethics is like rules and regulations you need to follow. Yes, I'm asking you. Okay. So what I'm teaching, let me give you the light idea of what I'm teaching today. And then business ethics is the yes, rules and regulations we need to follow. All right. In a particular place. Here we are dealing with the workplace, and silent saboteurs are people who are harming the company. Okay, and that too silently. So how they can do that? This is being listed here. Fine. Credit taking. Take credit for something someone else or any other group has done. Are you able to hear me well? Other than Surjit? Is everyone able to hear me well? Other than Surjit? Please let me know in the chat box. Yes. Yes, Surjit, please re-log in again. And from tomorrow, yes. Okay. The echo is too high. Others are able to hear me perfectly, other than Aman and Surjit. I guess there is some issue. Aman, wait, I'll just reduce my sound a bit. Aman, is it clear now? Prabha is saying my voice is low. Aman is saying it's quite high. I don't know. You people can re-log in again if you're facing issues with the voice. Okay? Is it clear? Okay. Fine. Let's proceed ahead. Sometimes, some people, they will take the credit for something which might not be their effort, right? And sometimes, group results, something the team might have won, okay? But some people, they take the credit by themselves. They will take it as an individual credit, which is very wrong. This is like being a silent saboteur. Fine? Now, lack of recognition. It is important to let other people or other work groups know that they are doing a good job and their efforts are appreciated. This could go along with the credit taking. So, if your group might have not won, okay, other group might have won, so you should give them the credit for the same, right? This is very much required because you people are the part of same organization. If you will do the good work, they will also appreciate you. So it will give you a feel good factor. Attention to detail. This relates to the little things in our life and in business of our customers and suppliers. Let people know that a fact has been sent, follow through on commitment. So see, if you have done something rather than staying quiet over it, suppose you can just follow up so that no data is being missed. Fine? Is it clear for everyone? Okay. Okay. Fine. Now, before we proceed ahead, let's do one short quiz. Okay. Now, so let me give you the link for this one. Just a second. Alright. So I'll be giving you the link in the chat box itself for the online test. Okay. So would you like to do reading exercises? Would you like to do listening exercises? Which one you would like to do? Reading or listening exercises? Please let me know in the chat box. I will go with the majority. Reading or listening? Kamil is saying listening. Elaine is also saying listening. Okay. Most of the people are saying listening. So let's go with the listening too. Okay. So how to make a presentation? Let's do this one. Now, let me tell you. Okay, let me give you the link. Okay. All right. Okay, let me share the link. So let me tell you it has been prepared in the lab itself. Okay. So let me give you that lab one only. Just wait for a while, okay? Is it okay now? Okay, fine. Is my voice okay? Okay, we are going to do both. Fine. So let me share the topics with you. Okay. So, okay, the topics are See, let me share the topic. Where is the movie theater? So just choose the topic. I'm just going to put it here in the chat box and you have to choose the topic. Okay? If you want, you can choose it individually. Different topics. Aman, I guess there is some issue at your end. Why don't you check at your end? Because others are not able to hear any echo. I don't think there is any echo with anyone other than you. You are the only one who is facing that issue. Is there any echo at my end? Is there any echo at my end? Others are not, getting any kind of echo. I think it's there only at your end. So please rectify it at your end. Okay. Anyway, so topics are there. Please choose the topics. Hi Sanobar, how are you? Where is Seher today? Choose the topic, please. You need to choose a topic for listening exercise. Please let me know. Taxi ride, telemarketing, the ideal women, towing service, trivia game show, Uta travel, video game systems, wedding anniversary. Okay. Prabha will go for ideal women. Okay. Okay. Wait. Let me give them the link. Okay. So I'm just going to put it. So first of all, if you want to go for Uta travel. Okay. Or let's do one by one. Okay. So let's deal with ID women, Uta travel first, followed by ID women. Okay. Yeah. Okay. I'm just going to paste the link for everything. You can just choose accordingly. This is for Uta travel. Okay. Okay. Now this is for Uta travel, and I'll just give it for everything. Where is the movie theater? The second link is for where is the movie theater. This is for, I'm just going to put it. Okay, I'm just pasting the link for everything. The topic is mentioned in front of that. Okay. Wedding anniversary. So whoever want to do where is the movie theater and Uta travel, they can click on the link. Okay, which is there in the chat box. This is for wedding anniversary, the third one. So how will you do it then? Can you log in through your system now? Others are able to open the link. Some people want to do telemarketing and ideal women too. No, this is not the reading one. This is for listening. You have to listen to the audio. It is there in the chat box. I mean, once you open that thing, you will find one audio too. Okay? Now, I'm just opening it for, I have to give it for ideal women and telemarketing. So let me Okay, this is for audio. I mean, women, IT women. So, is everyone able to open the link? Is everyone able to open the link? So let me ask you, can Asya, are you doing it? Please respond. Rashid, are you doing it? Please respond in the chat box. Surjeet, are you doing it or not? Devidas, are you doing it? Elian, how about you? George, are you doing it? Racy, I will send you the link. Prabha, are you doing it? Vinod, Kamal, are you doing it? Eman, Sanobar and Renan, are you doing it? Okay, let me put the link for that telemarketing one. Fine, Racy, I want to give it to you. Yes, I have pasted the link for telemarketing one. Please open it, Devida. Racy, which one you want, Racy? Choose the topic so that I can send it to you. You are most welcome. Wedding anniversary. Right. Okay. Racy, you need it for wedding anniversary. So let me send it to you through email. Rajesh Pan, are you able to hear me well? Are you able to hear me well? Shall we proceed ahead? Hello. Asya, Rashid, Sudeep, Devidas, Lion, George, Rishi, Prabha, Vinod, Aman, Kamal, Sanobar, and Sunny. Are you done? And you are done with the second one too? So what is your score? Okay. Okay, fine, good. Okay. Now, this let me give you the last one for the day, and then we'll switch over to what we were doing. Okay. Now, cosmetic surgery. This is the next one.